Mr. Fusion, it's Crook's coffee maker. Do you do Mr. Fusion or do you do Back to the Future 1 with the actual plutonium chamber? So my car is number one. The reason is that's the first car I seen when it pulled out of Doc Brown's truck, and that is the vision in my head, and that is the one I wanted to go for. I have got a Mr. Fusion as well, and you can have an adaptation plate, so you can actually slide the whole plate over the plutonium chamber with Mr. Fusion on. So something I may consider doing in the future, but at the moment I'm really happy with one because I've got the lightning rod holder and I've also got the lightning rod, and I just think that looks cool. And Mr. Fusion is in the car, in the front of the car, so I do carry it around and I can put it on display, because everyone always asks which conversion you like the best. I don't know of many people that have done Back to the Future 3 because it doesn't look quite right. I won't want to put it on the bonnet because the bonnet can be easily, there's a cross frame underneath the actual stainless steel panel on your bonnet, and if you press, or even if you rub the stainless steel, if you're cleaning it hard enough, you can get the imprint of the X underneath. Now over a period of time, just the actual panel, it's sitting on this X, can put the imprint in it. On a certain angle and a certain light, you can actually see it on my car. Some haven't got it, which is great, but mine has got a slight imprint of it, so putting anything on that is a no-no. My car is an actual removable system, so within maybe 6 hours I can take the whole lot off and you would never know it's been on my car. So I did a reversible project on mine. The reason is I couldn't bring myself to drill through the stainless steel panels, and not after I did all the work getting all the panels redone and all the dents taken out and all the scratches. I just couldn't bring myself to drill into the panels, so I developed a way that I could actually use the original mountings on the car, so all of the original pickle points on the car where the stainless steel panels are bolted through, I used those to bolt everything through, build brackets that hold all the flux bands on and the all the time machine equipment. Even right down underneath the chassis of the car, I built brackets down there to hold all of the parts on. So you can actually take the whole thing off. Even the dashboard, it's all mounted so it can actually all be removed. So my car has not been damaged in any way fitting this time machine equipment to it. I know I'll never take it off, but it's in my own head. I haven't actually drilled into my own panels or damaged the car in any way at all.